Hi dear friends, welcome to our channel The Kids EduZone. In this video, we are discussing the remaining activities in the unit The Mirror. Okay, now let's see activity number 5. See, in the given passage in page number 23, some words are given in bold letters like her, his, my, their, etc. These words are known as possessive pronouns. Actually, this activity is related to pronouns, especially the possessive pronouns, which shows the ownership of something like his book, my bag, their house, your doll, etc. Now, let's complete the given passage using correct possessive pronouns. Manu said, Mom, I am going to wash my hands. Mother said, You are a good boy. She kissed Manu on his cheek. Manu, do you think all your friends wash their hands before eating? Mother asked. Yes, they all wash their hands before they eat. Do your teachers ask you to develop good habits like this? Mother asked. Yes, our science teacher always tells us about the importance of developing good habits. She tells us the story of her son and daughter, said Manu. That's interesting. I must congratulate her, Mother said. Everybody likes her, Manu said. Let's see activity 6. In this activity also, some words are underlined. Can't you see it? These words are a and the. Actually, these words are known as articles. See the words used after these articles in the passage. Can you see the words story, island, fisherman, mirror, etc.? We know they are nouns. Now, let us complete the given story using a, an, or the. One afternoon, an ox was gazing in a field. A small frog in the field saw the ox. The frog thought, I want to become like the ox. The frog started puffing and swelling. Am I as large as the ox? He asked his friends. No, no, they replied. So the frog puffed himself up more and more, trying to reach the size of the ox. Now, asked the frog. Please don't try anymore. You are only a frog. You can't become an ox, pleaded his friends. But the frog continued to puff and swell larger and larger until he finally burst. Now let's complete the description of the picture given in page number 26. A procession is in progress. A man is sitting on an elephant. The man is holding an umbrella in his hands. The umbrella is well decorated. Many men and children are following the elephant. A child is holding an aeroplane shaped balloon in his hands. Now, let's see the activity number 7. Here, some sentences are given and some words are underlined in the given sentences. Which are the words underlined? Yes, under, up, in, on, beside, over, between, from, etc. These words are known as prepositions. Now let's complete the given sentences using prepositions in page number 28. Take onions, tomatoes, chilies and cucumber from the vegetable basket. After washing them, keep them on a plate. Cut the vegetables into small pieces. Add salt and pepper to the salad. Garnish it with coriander leaves. Serve the salad in a bowl. Now let's see the editing passage. There are a few errors in the passage. They are underlined. You have to correct it. Let's see. Anwar went to meet his uncle yesterday. His uncle is an engineer. His apartment is near the post office at the city square. His uncle and his aunt are very friendly to Anwar. He loves to be with his uncle's family. Dear friends, please subscribe our channel and share it. We will meet again with another topic. Till then, stay safe. Thank you. Bye.